Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up XXPICore Tunnel on your Android device. This can help provide a more secure connection for your device. Let's get started. 1. Open Google Play Store. First, find and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. 2. Search for XXPICore Tunnel. Use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in XXPICore Tunnel. 3. Install the app. Tap the Install button to download and install the application. 4. Open the app. Once the installation is complete, locate the XXPICore Tunnel icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap it to open the application. 5. Access the menu. In the top left corner of the app, you'll see the menu icon for horizontal lines. Tap on it. 6. Select Online Update. From the menu that appears, select Online Update. 7. Wait for the update. Allow the app to complete the update process. This might take a few moments. 8. Tap Server. Once the update is finished, tap on the Server option. 9. Select Auto Select Server. Choose Auto Select Server to let the app automatically choose the best server for your connection. 10. Tap Connection Method. Next, tap on the Connection Method option. 11. Choose UDP. All countries select UDP, all countries, as your connection method. 12. Tap Add Time. Tap the Add Time option to extend your connection time. 13. Increase connection time. Complete the steps presented, usually watching an advertisement, to increase your available connection time. 14. Tap Start. Finally, tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. 15. VPN connects and secures. The VPN should now connect, providing a more secure internet connection for your device. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and according to local laws. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.